अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। तो दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग? उम्मीद करते हैं खैर वाफियत से होंगे। सबसे पहले चैनल पर नए आने वाले दोस्तों से गुजारिश है कि बराए मेहरबानी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा, वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिएगा और इस वीडियो को अपने दोस्तों में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए। ये वीडियो सीरीज़ समर वेकेशन के बाद है, यानी अब आपके समर वेकेशन ख़त्म होने को है, तो इसलिए हम आपको लिए वीडियो लेकर हाजिर हुए हैं। तो हमारे साथ आखिर तक बने रहिएगा। इस वीडियो में बहुत कुछ है, वो सब कुछ जो यानी इस दुनिया, इस कायनात की खूबसूरती यानी परिंदों के बारे में है। लेट्स स्टार्ट। What are we learning today? In today's lesson, we will understand that most birds can fly, but some cannot. Identify physical features of a bird. Recognize body parts of a bird. Compare a cat and a parrot. Birds are important part of nature. They are among Allah's wonderful creatures. They benefit humans in many ways, so we should keep them with care and also look after their basic needs. Flap your hands and like a bird and try to fly. We were able to fly. Thank you. Answer. What do you need to fly like a bird? They have feathers and wings to fly. They have two legs. They have a beak. They lay eggs. They have air hole instead of ears. They are all birds. Yes. Examples: owl, parrot, eagle, duck, flamingo, and my most favorite, pigeon. Yes. Do you like pigeon? Yes, all the birds have almost the same feathers, but not all of them can fly. There are some birds that can't lift their heavy body off the ground. Birds like ostrich, pigeon, kiwi, and mew cannot fly. Pigeon, kiwi, ostrich, and emu. Parts of a body, yes. Beak, neck, throat, breast, belly, claw, tail, wing, nap, and ears. Yes, they all are part of body. Which part? Bird part, yes. Besides shape, size, and color, birds have different types of a beak and a feet. Their beaks and claws depends on the type of food they eat and places they live at. Pelican and sparrow. Yes, sparrow is the most common bird. Types of beak. Cushing. It is a short, thick, cone-shaped beak. It helps that beak it crush nuts and grain to make it soft before eating. Pigeon and a sparrow. Yes, my loving bird, pigeon. Do you like pigeon or sparrow? Yes. Probing. It is an extremely long and slender beak. It is a help to bird to suck nectar from the flower. Hummingbird is spinebill. Yes. Tearing and piercing. It is a small, hard and curved beak. It helps them eat. Tear the hunted animal into small pieces. Eagle and most dangerous, vulture. Filtering. It is a flat and a big beak having small holes on both sides. It helps to filter or sift food from enough water. Yes, flamingo and oh yes, so lovely, but catching insects. It is a thin and pointed beak for the catching insect. It is sticky from the inside, but the such beak flying with a open beak to catch them insect to the cat. Yes, kinglets, and a warbler. Types of feet: grasping. Birds like eagle, vulture, and all have starting and a sharp claws tip help them to catch them and hold their prey. Variety: owl, eagle, and vulture. Web feed. Yes, bird like a duck, pigeon, and pelican have web feet that help them to swing. Scratching: but like a hen, peacock, and quail have scratching the claws that help them to settle and ground in the search of the food insect. Peacock, hen, and a quail. Yes, I have also yes, hen also, also hearing you. Yeah, climbing. Birds like a woodpecker and a parrot have two toes pointing upwards and a two one downwards. It helps to climbing the trees and catch the insect and like the fruits. Parrot, macaw. Yes. Comparing a parrot and a cat. Look at these two pictures. Do they belong to the some animals group? Think are the likely and different from each other. Cat, most dangerous, and a most cute parrot. Yes, but these are birds. No, parrot is a bird, cat is an animal. Cats and parrot belong to the different group, but they have the some common ears and a body part. Let's have a look and are they alike and have a two similar? Yes, similarity. They have both need food, air, water. Yes, it's a basic need for all living things. Yes, both have eyes. Cat's eyes, parrot's eyes. Most dangerous. Tail. Both have a tail. Cats are tail. Parrots also have a tail. Differences: fur and feathers. A parrot has a feathers. A cat has a fur. Do you like parrot? Yes, I love it. Beak and whisk. A parrot has a beak but two whisker. A cat has a whisker but it does not have a beak. Yes. Legs. A parrot have two legs. A cat has a four legs. Both a cat and parrot live on a land. They cannot swim. A parrot can fly. Does uses a swing wings to fly. A cannot fly. It is a run and run. Both a cat and parrot can reproduce. A cat give birth to babies. A parrot lay eggs.